Have you ever put off dealing with problems like a persistent cough or difficulty swallowing meals because you figured they were just a result of the weather changes? If the signs of throat cancer had been more obvious to you, you might not have paid them any mind. These signs could easily be missed, thus they are kept low-key on purpose. Cancer that begins in the larynx and spreads to the throat is classified as either throat cancer or head and neck cancer. It is an extremely lethal kind of cancer that can be cured if detected and treated in time. Being aware of the signs of throat cancer can save lives, as the early discovery of the disease makes it easier to cure. If you suspect you have throat cancer, pay attention to these 5 early warning signs. 1. Reasons why you have trouble chewing and/or swallowing. It's crucial to be aware of this as an early warning sign of throat cancer, even though some people tend to ignore it. Having problems swallowing could be due to a sore throat, but you should still see a doctor to be sure. 2. Hearing loss. There is no need to dismiss this symptom as it is a warning sign of throat cancer. If the pain persists, regardless of its severity, you should see a doctor. 3. Cough. A persistent cough that refuses to go away no matter how many times you medication it. It's common for folks to stop taking their cough medicine altogether when it stops doing the trick. The best course of action is to see a doctor at the hospital and lodge an official complaint. 4. The development of a neck bump or inflammation. The presence of this symptom is another red flag for throat cancer. Observing a bump or swelling is cause for concern, even if there is no pain. 5. An ongoing throat pain. One of the most common symptoms of throat cancer is a painful and severe sore throat. You should consult a doctor if your sore throat is extremely painful.